something kind of cool happened a few weeks ago. And just to give you the background, I moved my little family to this beautiful tropical paradise. And we've achieved loads of goals. My kids have an awesome childhood. I built this boat I'm sitting in right now, and houses. Like I've achieved so many goals, but there are a couple goals that they've just become sticking points. And they've become sticking points not just in achieving those goals, just in everything, because I was getting kind of frustrated and bummed out. I was getting kind of bummed out. I was, getting a little depressed about being a complete failure in a couple ways for my kids specifically. And one way is that I really want to show my kids like a really good like man-woman, like husband-wife relationship where a man and a woman are connected really well, get along with each other, work toward goals, just have a really positive thing, right? Because they don't really have that example. And I didn't have that example growing up either, which is probably why I have difficulty figuring out how to make it happen. So I want to break that cycle and, show them that example. But, I haven't gotten anywhere with that. I don't know, we'll see. The other one is I also wanted to make sure my kids have other kids around, like friends, right? Because I moved to this remote place. There were not a lot of people here when we got here, and I put a lot of effort into getting some families to come. And a few times I thought I had it, and then someone would do something stupid, or someone would be crazy, or I'm not even going to get into it, but it just kept not working. A few weeks ago, I found myself in this situation. Jaimie, put a video here of that birthday party, and blur it a little bit so you can't see people's faces. I don't want to invade anyone's privacy, but just put that video there. So this is a birthday party. Two of my kids have birthdays like, a week apart, and then there's another kid who has a birthday near there too. So, and this is like a kid from a family who did the same thing we did. They moved from the States, came down here, bought some land, they're doing their thing, and the place we're at is another family who did the same thing. And so we had this big, huge birthday party with all the kids and blah, blah, blah. And it was amazing and fun. And I'm sitting there, I was standing up on this little balcony watching this, realizing, oh, I didn't get my kids' friends, but it happened anyway. And it was just like, I don't know, they've had these friends for a while. It just didn't click with my brain that, because I'd been so frustrated trying to figure out how to make it happen, I didn't even register that it had happened on its own. Other families happened to move to the area, and my kids got friends. We just got lucky, and freaking amazing. And yeah, I feel like this. It's kind of like this huge weight off my shoulders. Not that everything's perfect, but man, that was a big sticking point for me. Like I was getting pretty frustrated about that, just feeling like a failure toward my kids, which is the place I cannot fail. I cannot fail as a parent. That's the most important thing. That's like top priority. Before any of the other inventions I build or adventures I go on, I have to be a good father. So, yeah, I'm standing up there watching my kids hang out with their kids, and both of these families have kids that same age as mine, and one of them is actually visiting right now. They're in my house screaming and running around the track. I don't know. They're just going crazy. And yeah, effing awesome. Oh, it's so good. It's so awesome. Oh, and of course, at the party, I had to do a sack race with them, and once in a while, you gotta show these kids who's dad. Anyway, yeah, ever since that, I've just been like raring to go. Like it took such a weight off my shoulders having this huge goal I was massively failing at suddenly just taken care of by fate and luck. So I don't know, it's like I've been my work output has doubled since then. Like I feel like the future. I feel like there's a good future. That's the real sticking point for me. When I was feeling like I was failing at that, I was having difficulty seeing the good future. But now that my kids have all these friends, and they've had them for a while, I just didn't really get it. But yeah, now I see future here, because you have to have people to have future. I guess they say if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go with people. Yeah, you gotta have people. Anyway, I'm just super relieved that worked out on its own, and that's also why I haven't why I haven't made any videos. Well, not many videos in a couple of weeks, because I've just been working like crazy. Just getting so many things done that I've kind of been putting off because I was kind of like, you know. But yeah, now it's just like going. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna get back to work, and I just wanted to share that. You know, like sometimes you have big goals, and you don't even know how certain parts of it are gonna happen, and you try to make them happen, and it doesn't happen. And sometimes luck just comes along and says, oh, this huge area of thing that you weren't sure how you were going to make happen, it just happened. I mean, I don't want to I don't like to rely on fate to just take care of things, but once in a while, man, yeah, universe, I needed help. Thank you, universe. I really did need help. So awesome.